Hello everyone, I'm excited to present the results of our Queensland AGATE cutting marathon. We've obtained some tremendous results. Beautiful agates, we found a lot of banding, crystal pockets, all kinds of brecciation, all sorts of stuff. Look at what a beautiful face this is. Some yellow on yellow, some very colorful ones, some very monochromatic ones like this one here, the white on white, and this one, which is a grayscale sort of a thing. Now, this is one side. Let's look at this other side. It resembles starburst or fireworks jasper. Here's one half. There's the other half, so you can see the difference in between the saw blade. The banding or concentric lines on agates like this is often called fortifications because they resemble the walls of a fort, meaning like it would have an inner and an outer wall. We had a lot of very nicely contrasting colors, a lot of red, black, and white. I put all of the water lines or water level agates, as they call them now, together. Some of these you'll see have an outer banding, like a banded beginning on the outside, and then they begin to do the water level, the water table, along with gravity. And that's how those form. A lot more of these contrasting reds, whites, and blacks. Here is one half of one, and the incredibly beautiful other half, basically floating on translucency. A little bit of an animal print down here on this one. Very nice contrasts. Some orbs, in fact, along with fortification. Little crystal pocket. I noticed the amount of color in the crust of these things as well. Here's a little translucent in the middle of red. These are the footprints of the crystals in the inner crystal center. We have an orb here and some incredible banding. This one really stood out to me a lot because in certain areas of it, it looks brecciated, like broken up and then healed together in sort of some rectangle and triangle kind of shapes. This right here is a crystal vug, and look at the colors of the individual crystals inside that vug. All of these came out very impressively. Here's an outer part. Here's where you see the footprints, and right there is an inflow channel that you can see from the inside. Very unusual shapes and combinations. A lot of things like this, where there's color that is outlined in translucency. This one resembled a Swazi rose agate to me. This is just a very fine specimen. We have yellows on yellows. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Modern Rock Scene.